Indian sports' worst ever crisis has not tided over. And if insiders are to be believed, as the truth emerges, it's only going to get worse from here. Times Now investigated on its own and didn't take at all long for us to find out that the racket operates right outside the training center of these athletes, right outside. Not only are steroids openly available in the market, that's one part. The other, adding to our investigation, is more and more athletes coming out saying that they are absolutely victims at the mercy of their ambitious coaches.
Times Now exposing how banned drugs are easily available to India's athletes. A massive dope scam in Indian sport right next to the National Institute of Sport in Patiala.
कितने स्टेप होंगे कितनी चाहिए टेबलेट आपको एक स्ट्रिप दे दो एक स्ट्रिप और इंजेक्शन एक एक ये एक एक भाई मैंने पता करवा ये स्पोर्ट्समैन वगैरह बॉडी बिल्डिंग वगैरह के लिए या एथलीट्स वगैरह इसमें ये कोचेज वगैरह भी लिख के भेजते हैं कोचेज वगैरह भी लिख के भेजते हैं मैंने कहा लिख के भेजते तो है
Substances banned by WADA and NADA are being openly sold over the counter by chemists just a few kilometers away from the NIS Patiala. One doesn't even need a prescription from the doctor to buy these drugs.
At a time when the country's best have brought infamy, the biggest worry is that there could be more.
मतलब प्लेयर्स है क्या सप्लीमेंट्स वगैरह अपने आप ले लेंगे या कोचेस से रेकमेंड करे दे लेंगे
ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਐ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨ ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਜੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਾਹਰੋਂ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਲਟ ਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਨਾ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਆਟੋਮੈਟਿਕ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁਣ ਬਾਟ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਸਖਤਾਈ ਕਰਤੀ ਮਾੜੇ ਜੀ ਕੋਈ ਚੀਜ਼ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੈਫੀਨ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਕੈਫੀਨ ਥੋੜੀ ਮਾਤਰਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਡੋਪ ਚ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ
A menace which has been part of Indian sport for more than 2 decades.
It should not happen, like 1988 onwards, I think media used to write about going to Ukraine and all those things, but nobody took care about it. Now, if we had taken little care about earlier, this would not have been happened, but I feel very bad now.
But while the facts are out in the open, the authorities remain evasive.
I can't comment on this because I don't know about all these things. This matter needs to be investigated, and the Honorable Minister has already ordered the high-level inquiry, and the retired High Court judge will be conducting the inquiry shortly.
A rampant doping network exposed on camera, banned substances sold openly to athletes, with authorities turning a blind eye. With Shamsher in Patiala, Hector Kenneth, Times Now.